In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change skin color in Catalog Avatar Creator. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily change your skin color and customize the color of any individual body part in Catalog Avatar Creator. All that you have to do is go inside of the experience, either on a public or private server, and open the catalog. Now, by default, you will most likely be in one of these other categories here, like featured. All that you have to do is go all the way to the right until you reach body. So in here, if you scroll, you will be able to browse through all of these options and then you can find body. You will have other options as well, but this is where you will be able to change the skin color. So you will have colors, scale, head, torso, arms, and then legs. So on colors, you can select specific parts that you would like to change the skin color for. So as you can see, if I have my head selected, only that will change. And then I can customize the color. So let's say I make my head blue, then I can deselect it, choose my left arm, I'll make it red like this, then I'll choose my left leg, make it purple, and so on. So you can change specific body parts, or you can just select all and change the color of all of them together. Your new color will be reflected right away, and you can use these sliders at the top, or choose from one of these preset ones. If you toggle advanced colors, even more colors are going to appear. And once you have it selected, you can close this menu and the skin color will remain active on your character. So all that you have to do is open the catalog, go over to body, select the specific body parts that you will be customizing, and then choose the color that you want to use. They will be reflected and other people will be able to see your avatar with the new skin color once you are inside of the experience. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.